Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. 24 death in two Bihar districts after consuming suspected spurious liquor. At least 24 people have died and several others fell ill after consuming suspected spurious liquor in the Gopalganj and West Champaran district of Bihar, where total prohibition is in place in the last 2 days. 8% died on Thursday after allegedly consuming hooch in Telhua village and Betia, the headquarters of West Champaran district, while the toll in another incident of the consumptions of suspected spurious liquor in Gopalganj climbed to 16 on Thursday, with 6 more deaths being confirmed by the district authorities. Bihar Minister Janak Ram rushed to the Gopalganj. He later told reporters, "I have visited the houses of persons who died allegedly because of consuming spurious liquor. It would be conspiracy to defame the NDA government." Some of the bodies have been cremated by the families, the local police said. They said that 4% died on Thursday when they are undergoing treatment and another 2 on way to the hospital. Prima facie, these deaths appear to have occurred due to the consumption of some poisonous substance, and the police have registered the case. 4 persons have been arrested in the connection with the incident which took place between the Tuesday and Wednesday, the police said. How a sleeper helped Pune police crack a murder case. A 27-year-old man who had gone missing in mid-October was allegedly murdered by the husband of the woman he was having an affair with, the state Pune police. 3 people, including the man accused, were arrested in the connection with the matter. Police were able to crack the murder case after they spotted a sleeper used by the victim in the front of yard of the house. This eventually led the police to the prime suspect in the case. The 27-year-old man, resident of Badwan in Badwan, was reported missing by his mother on October 22, the Indian Express said in a report on Friday. Further probe revealed that the man was allegedly having an affair with the wife of the another man in whose yard the sleeper was found. Police said the mother took place after the main accused noticed a missed call on his wife's phone on the night of the October 21. These calls are made from the victim's mobile number, police said. Later in the night, the victim had also come to meet the wife of the accused. It was then that the accused and his 2 accomplices stabbed the victim in the chest and abdomen. The trio then took the victim's body to the hooch den owned by the accused and burned his body to ashes. Later, the remains were scattered at various places in the area, including some water bodies, the report said. After launching an investigation in the matter, police arrested 1 accomplice from Pune. The main accused and his aide were arrested in Madhya Pradesh. Annathe movie review. Rajnikant's film is a snooze fest. Movie name Annathe, cast Rajnikant, director Shiruthai Siva. Superstar Rajnikant is a phenomenon, and that's an understatement. It has been over a year since we saw Thalaivar on the big screen in 2020. This film Darbar was released in the theaters and was called one of the weakest films, strictly made for the Thalaivar's fan. Now Rajnikant is back with Annathe, and he was in the prime form here as well. Kalyan Akka Annathe is the Panchayat president who is Mr. Goody Two Shoes. He loves his sister Thanga Minathechi. They are willing to go to any extent for each other. One day Kalyan decides to fix an alien for Minathi and asks her permission. She agrees at first but allows a day before her bid. The story then shifts to Kolkata, where Meenakshi faces trouble after trouble, but her mother stands by her like a protective shield without her knowing it. What happened to Meenakshi? Why he is facing problems? How does Kallayan help her? These questions are answered in a course of 2 hours and 43 minutes. Now we have seen countless films hinged on a brother-sister relationship. This makes Anath's story redundant. However, turning this shell story into a watchable affair could be possible, but here the director Shrutai Siva takes a melodramatic role that reminds us of daily soap operas. Every dialogue is something we have heard umpteen times in films, so much so that you can see yourself mouthing them even before the actors do. When you have a strong lead like Rajinikanth, the character arcs of the antagonist matter. In Anathe, Shrutai Siva introduced two villains, Manoj Palekar and Uddhav Palekar, who have last screen time to make any kind of impact. Superstar Rajinikanth is in prime form here. We see him bash bones to the stylish work, mouth punchlines and dance like a dream. Rajinikanth built-up scenes deserves huge applause. In a scene, Kallayan passes gold to cause trouble to Meenakshi as she leaves the place. We see Kallayan standing stop at a building like her guardian angel.
Zero Vision, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। Zero Vision, জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.